Out in the shop working on my truck today in this lovely cold February day, and she's definitely been needing a little attention. So replaced 3 idler pulleys, the belt tensioner, I'll show you those in a second, left front caliper, and then the 4-wheel drive switch. So kind of some small maintenance items, things that have been popping up. The truck's got 335,000 miles on it, so it's bound to have a few things here and there. So I'll show you those pulleys in just a second. Got the new smooth idler, got a grooved idler, smooth idler, and then the, oh god, belt tensioner itself, as well as a brand new belt, brand new caliper bracket. The old one was sticking a bit, so nice to get that replaced. Hopefully that'll be a little easier on the drive, and then I will show you these pulleys here in just 1 second when I get the camera on a tripod. You can see the overall condition of them. Once again, they've been in the truck for 335,000 miles, so I'll let's listen to the bearings here. So, basic reason why I did this is I've been getting noise in the mornings when I start up the truck, especially when it's cold. Not terrible. Still making noise. A little worse. Much worse. And this is my king culprit. That's what I could hear in the mornings. So nice to get these all swapped out and get the truck back up to tip-top shape as much as it can be. That does it for today's fixes on the truck. 3 idler pulleys, tensioner pulley, new belt, left front caliper, and 4-wheel drive switch. So hopefully the 4-wheel drive works all the time like it's supposed to. And yeah, hit the subscribe button. We have plenty of new content coming out as the months get nicer and shop space opens up and that kind of stuff. The truck's got 335 on it. Hopefully we get to 350, maybe even 400 or beyond. We'll see. The 5.4 is ticking along just like it should. So as always, like, share, subscribe. Thank you.